Heute schauen wir uns Flugzeugsachen von den letzten Airways an. Da ist so ein Zettel, den kann man so da aufmachen. Hier ist,
Please take your seat and remain seated with your seatbelt security fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are switched on. In case of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will drop down from the panel above the seat. Pull the yellow cup mask firmly, place it over your mouth and nose, secure the straps, and breathe normally. With your mask free before assisting others. A part of our flight will be over water. The life jacket is located in a pouch under your seat. When removed from its pouch, the life jacket looks like this. Slip the life jacket over your head, fasten the support straps around your waist and tie them on the front. Pull the red flags to inflate the life jacket only when leaving the aircraft. Two mouthpieces are provided for additional inflation ventilation. There is a flight and whistle for attracting attention. Your life jacket should only be inflated as soon as the aircraft commander or after you leave the aircraft commander covering exit. Dear passengers, each aircraft has different safety procedures. Please read the safety and port instruction cards located in the seat pocket in front of you. In case of evacuation, leave your luggage behind. In preparation for takeoff, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Your seatbelts are in a bright position, your tray tables are stowed, and the window